What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over Internet Computer, or ICP, which is down 2.3% at $12.06. $5.7 billion market cap, infinite max supply. All-time high was 3 years ago at $700. All-time low was a year ago at 287. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on ICP. All right, everybody, let's get into ICP here. Here's the chart from Binance. Unfortunately, right now, we are a little toppy. We did get a sell signal here on the 3-day chart, but we're really not interested in the 3-day chart. What I want to focus on is the 1-day and the 4-hour. So the 1-day chart, we did get the double sell signal right here, which was our top. We are seeing a little bit of a correction after a lengthy consolidation period right here. On top of that, the RSI kind of topped out, but what it's kind of looking like to me is we are going to put in a higher low, but in order to do that, we do have a little bit more ways to fall before we start railing to the upside for that. MACD still bearish, putting in larger bearish engulfing candles. Now, if we draw the lifelong fib here, I don't know if this will be quite accurate or not because of the $700, but you can see right now in the lifelong fib, the 236 is the main area to contend with. I'm really not too worried or not too concerned about the validity of this lifelong fib due to the all-time high being the initial coin launch, and then it just fell after that. What I'd be taking into consideration more is this fib right here. This fib right here is going to be our life support. What I mean by that is you can see the power of that 382 support area here in the 618 area going back to December, January 2024. So what we're currently experiencing here is resistance at the 786. And like I mentioned, I do think we have a little bit more movement to the downside to go. And I would be keeping a very, very close eye around that $10 level for ICP. I think that's where we're going to be bouncing next. And then from that point on, all the indicators will reset. And then we can start our next push to the upside to be putting in some new highs, new multi-year highs from there. Because ICP, I remember I charted ICP for quite a while. There's some diamond hand holders for ICP. I mean, this is a lengthy consolidation period, and consolidation is a bullish thing. It just means people are willing to accumulate the coin at the same price for a lengthy period of time. The only concerning part is, or the only part that's kind of validating that capitulation down to the 618 is the uptrend from November has been broken, which is very unfortunate. You can see here on the day chart, this candle is currently below it right now. I mean, technically, I mean, if you want to move the goalpost a little bit, you can see we're touching there, touching there, touching there. We're right on the cusp of breaking it because technically we wicked below it, but we haven't had a candle below it. So let's monitor that, guys. If we do happen to get a bounce here at about 12 bucks, the next resistance would be 13.73, and then we'll reassess the situation. So there's two different scenarios. Either ICP is going to be consolidating here, then starting to rally. But in my in my prediction or historical history, I would kind of be keeping an eye for that capitulation back down to 618 for one more heavy drop before we start going to the moon. This might be the last good entry for ICP before it starts going vertical. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.